Hi all, Steph here again. And I want to share something one of my favorite teachers in energy work taught us. Beware the guru. Now, we all have guides and mentors and colleagues that help us and teach us and show us the way. And sometimes we can get lost in the power that the guru has. Well, they know so much. They know more than I do. For instance, let's just take it to a couple of modalities, like massage. Well, they'll know where I need to work, or what hurts, or what needs attention, and I don't need to tell them. Or acupuncture. They know where the needles go, and if I'm supposed to drink this bitter tea, well, I guess I'm supposed to drink this bitter tea. Therapy. I can't tell you how many times I've worked with a client who says, well, I can't possibly say that in therapy. It's like, really? Aren't you running your own healing, your practice? Can you not go in and say, this is what I'd like to work on? You know, what we talked about last week, I've been thinking about that and I want to follow up on that. Or, I think you were totally wrong and this is why. A doctor is a great example. So many of us go to the doctor knows all, and this is what you do, and this is the procedure you have, and this is what you take, and that's that. And so often we can fall into this piece of surrendering or abdicating our responsibility, or just deciding, well, they know more than I do, so I guess I'll just go along with it. And what I want to offer up is, are not all these people, helpers, practitioners, aren't they all in service of your process? So that you can say to a massage therapist, I'm here because this is what I'm looking for. This is the kind of touch I need. You can ask an acupuncturist, tell me more about why this tea is so important. I don't understand. You can say to a therapist, let's work on this. This is what I'm interested in. You can say to a doctor, and I'm notorious for this, it's like, no, not doing that. What else you got? What other suggestions do you have? And it's not just the guru. We do this with a barber, a manicurist, a tailor. How many times do we sit down and get our hair cut and don't say, you're not too sure, don't do it that way. I don't like that red on my nails. Hem it differently. So this guru piece can thread throughout our lives. And I just want to invite you to be aware of it. Don't give over your power so easily. Make it a conversation, make it a collaboration, whether it's something as simple as working with a tailor or working with a doctor. What's your experience of the guru? Have you fallen into that web? How did you get out? Are you dealing with the guru piece right now? Comment, share, questions. I'm at rapidbodymindclarity.com. Wander over. Let's connect. Thanks much. Until next time. Cheers.